Hi there, students. Induction. Induction. A noun. I think both countable and uncountable. This comes from the verb to induce. Now, we use induction in various different areas. The first thing I think of when I hear the word induction is an introduction. So, for example, when a university student goes to university, normally on the first day, they have induction. An induction, in induction, they go perhaps to a lecture theatre and somebody talks to them about, gives them all of the information they need to know about being at that university, the things that they need to know. Or very often as well, induction is a ceremony. So a special ceremony. So you could have induction into the armed forces, or induction into a new religion where there is a special special service. Or just when you arrive at work, the boss takes you round and introduces you to everybody. That is your induction. Okay, so induction, it's the period where a new member of an organization learns about the organization, the basic training, the basic things that you need to know. So an induction course, new members of the club will go an induction session. Okay, so to induce, induction. Okay, for example, if a woman is pregnant and time is getting on, 9 months have gone by, and the doctors may resort to the induction of labour. Yeah, a doctor will decide when it is time for induction of labour. So it's to cause something to happen. Yeah, induced labour. They give her a drug which causes induction of labour. Then in thinking, yeah, you start with a general principle, and by induction you can work out. Well, it's the other way round. You start with a set of facts, and by induction you can discover a general principle. By induction, by thinking about it. Yeah, so discovering a general principle using a set of facts. You can use induction in electricity. Maybe you've got a cooker that works with induction, and this has an electric current that goes round in the hob, and this causes an electric current in the pan, which makes it hot. So induction is is electrical power going from one object to the other without the two objects touching. Yeah, you have an electric current in one wire which produces an electric current in another. Yeah, so an induction cooker. These are an induction hob, induction cooking. Okay. If you take it off, the induction effect stops. Okay, so induction, introducing someone formally into a group. His induction into the company. The training period, a 2-week period of induction, an induction ceremony. Okay, so in induction, yeah, it's got all sorts of things. An induction course, the procedure or ceremony to introduce somebody into a new organization. An induction course for new members. Induction, a method of reasoning that you use ideas to give you a general rule. Okay, so I don't know, for example, I measure the length of the day, and it's 11 hours, and the length of the night, that's 13 hours. By induction, a whole cycle is 24 hours. And then electrical induction as well, to induce labor by induction. Okay, so induction. I think that's probably enough. Formality. Induction. So induction as in introducing someone. 5.5 informality. Electrical induction, an induction coil. 5.5 informality. You use I got used induction to reach this principle. Maybe 6 informality. And then let's see, as to origin, it comes from Latin inductio or induco, to lead in. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Induction.